This is a spreadsheet from Quattro Pro version 3. It is very old. Modern Excel might struggle. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to convert it. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky WB3 errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. The WB3 file extension is associated with spreadsheet files. Originally created by Quattro Pro, it can also be opened and edited by Microsoft Excel. These files store data in a structured format of rows and columns, enabling calculations, data analysis, and visualization through charts and graphs. WB3 files contain data organized in cells within worksheets. They support various data types, including numbers, text, and formulas. The file format includes metadata about the spreadsheet, such as formatting, styles, and chart definitions. Compatibility between Quattro Pro and Excel ensures broad accessibility. To gain full access to WB3, the application needed is Corel Quattro Pro from Corel Corporation. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows displays plain values but not calculation engines, so analysis depends on spreadsheet software. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your WB3 file, then choose Open With. You should start with Corel Quattro Pro if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If your WB3 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The reason for the error is almost certainly the WB3 file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, use Corel Quattro Pro. Open the file using Corel Quattro Pro, the required application for the spreadsheet. Next, use Excel Converter. Use Microsoft Excel with the necessary conversion add-in to open the file. Finally, convert to XLSX ODS. Use an online converter to export the file to XLSX or ODS. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.